What's up, guys? Hope you guys enjoyed that POV drive. This is Skylyfe Projects, and we have another video. You guys saw the POV drive already. Hope you enjoyed that. I know it was shorter than the typical POV drive videos I do, but you get the point. You heard the car, you heard the exhaust, you heard the turbo noises. That's what matters, right? But anyways, that's not the whole video. I do want to update you guys on the MHI Stage 2 turbo build. I did order one more part, and that is the Mishimoto turbo blanket, which I'll show you guys here in just a second. I'll unbox that. Other thing is, I'm trying to order the Rampage fuel kit, but it says back ordered right now. It actually does not let me even put it in the cart. That comes with the 1400cc injectors, the XDI high pressure fuel pump, and the DW300 low pressure fuel pump. So, and on top of that, it comes with a drill bit so you can drill your fuel line, which honestly I'm not going to do. I'm just going to buy the braided one from JSR. So that's what's going on. If you guys are wondering, no, I'm not able to order it yet. I want a specific kit. It is not available yet. Plus, I also need another $900, bro, because the thing is not cheap. I think it's like $2,500, which is still a good deal. Don't get me wrong, but at the end of the day, I still need that exact kit, and you'll see why. All right, but let me take the camera here. I'm gonna stop it real quick. All right, so here's the part I wanted to show you guys. Mishimoto titanium turbo blanket. So I'm going to pull this out here real quick. Pull it out. There we go. Mishimoto. As you guys know, I do have a lot of Mishimoto parts, including the front mount intercooler, the oil cooler by Mishimoto, the oil catch can, the radiator by Mishimoto right there, and the red coolant hoses. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff here with Mishimoto, and I have the radiator, excuse me, not the radiator, the Mishimoto coolant reservoir red tank right there in wrinkle red. So got a lot of cool parts by Mishimoto. I love the brand, honestly, and this is what's coming up. Let's take it out of here real quick so you guys can see it. Alright, so we have nice little, that's pretty cool, air freshener. Mishimoto always does that. Shout out to them. There's the wiring right there to wire it, and then obviously here's the blanket. So now let me put this up here. All right, so you guys, this is just the blanket. I am actually waiting for the PRL gasket kit to get here as well. I ordered that. On top of that, still trying to get that fuel kit, like I said, from Rampage, and we'll see what happens with that. It doesn't even let you put it in the cart, bro. Like, it's not on pre-order status, it's on back ordered status. You cannot add it to the cart. I tried it on my laptop, I tried it on my PC, tried it on my cell phone, my smartphone, whatever you want to call it, and I still can't add it. So therefore, kind of at a loss there. I was thinking I would go with the XDI fuel injectors and the XDI fuel pump, but it doesn't include the DW300 for that price. Therefore, be cost effective, be smart, get the $2,500 kit with the high pressure fuel pump, the low pressure fuel pump, the 1400cc fuel injectors, and you get that drill bit if you want to drill your fuel line. So yeah, this is what we have now. You guys, I will keep you updated on the turbo build status, no doubt, promise that. And that is today's video. It's rather short, it's rather informative, and it gets to the point. But I love you guys. I appreciate all your support. Thank you for everybody who's following me on IG. Thank you for the new subscribers on my YouTube channel. Also, have some subscribers that follow me on Facebook, so shout out to you guys there. You guys can see my personal photos, the kids, the wife, the family. Okay, but yeah, this is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and major blessings. Episode 2 is coming up next with the MHI Stage 2 turbo build. Don't go anywhere. I love you guys. Count your blessings always. Skylyfe.